Pasto Kurukuto. Kurukuto. To Talinhali. 10 to shoot. To Pinka Waray. Strong rebound by Brother. Brother to Diasis. Diasis na pumadali. Lumiyap. Pumasa. Sa ilalim. To Polodong. To Diasis. Pumiki. Pumiki ulit. 2 points yan. Napakagandang pasapasa ng PGP. Pinka. Kurukuto again. Kurukuto. Last touch by E. Quebec. Pasto Diasis sa gitna. Wala. Strong rebound by E. Nagpapadali. To Talinhali. Last touch si Talinhali. Upaya niyo kay naka-live kit sa Channel 5. De Silva to Quebec. Quebec sumiksa. Tumira. Waray. Strong rebound by Big Brother. It's a last touch by TGP. Eringko ano? Oh, Pinka for 2, for 3. Waray. Strong rebound by De Silva. De Silva to Quebec. Quebec sumiksas to De Silva. Is still by Eringko for 2. Drop pass to Oroa using the board. 2 points by Oroa. Quebec. 3 minutes and 37. 15 shot clock. 3 minutes and 30. 10. 8. Quebec. 5. 4. It's a turnover. Pinka ano? Mana? Pinka to Kurukuto. Kurukuto to Pinka. To Talinhali sa gilid. Talinhali for 2. Waray. Pinka again. Pumiki to Talinhali. Waray. Strong rebound by Mungkada. Mungkada to Diasis. Diasis na pumadali. Diasis sumiksas. Lumiyap. 2 points by Diasis. Iba'y sayang jogging nga ba? Grabe gano'n, Jiliis. Kurukuto to Pinka. Pumika. 6. 5. 4. It's a block by Mungkada. Mungkada to Diasis. To Quebec. Quebec na naman, nagmamadali. Quebec. Pass to De Silva. De Silva, 2 points. Yo, gibay sa ikon mo na jogging. Pinka, 2 points. Pass by Talinhali. Quebec. Last 2 minutes. Pulodong to Diasis. Diasis sumiksas. Waray. Strong rebound by Oroa. Kurukuto nagmamadali. Kurukuto is still by Quebec. Drop to Kuya. 2 points yan ni Marvin Canton Host. May depende siya sa under 18. May bata pa ni siya. Pinka, sumalaksak, tumira, counted yan. Uy, it's a throw-in violation. Torn over by TGP. Last 1 minute and 23. 1 minute and 20. Shot clock 18. 15. 12. 3 points by Waray. Kauna ko shoot na. Quebec. Quebec na mamadali. Quebec. Drop pass to Polodong. Grabe ang connection sa magkuya. Last 55. Shot clock 14. Talinhali sumalaksak. Floater 2 points by Talinhali. Last 40. Shot clock 17. 15. Still by E. Still by Quebec. Last 25. Polodong. Drop pass to Mungkada. Nice play by TGP. Last 19 seconds. Wala nang shot clock. 15. 12. 10. Waray. 6. 4. 2. Time. First quarter. 18-12 Banato official score. Bula. Sun Engineering. Dikit na natuyag. Mag-upay ang manukol ang mga taga-i. Pinka. 3 points by Irinco. And yes to Big Brother. Nangangaturog ang dipinsa. Who's foul rep? Foul number 23. Illegal contact to the hand. 2 free throws awarded to Mungkada. Unang tira, wala. Counted 1 point by Mungkada. Pinka on the dribble. Pinka. Pinka. Pass to sa gitna. Wala. Shot clock 15. Legatub. Legatub using the board. Waray. Strong rebound by Banyes. Banyes na madali. Banyes. Banyes number 7. Pass to Diasis. Diasis. Pass to Pinolampio. To Diasis again. Shot clock 12. 10. To Banyes. Behind the leg. Waray. Rebound by E. Pinka na madali. Pinka. Pinka. Shoulder pick. Umigot. Pass to Irinco na naman. Rebound by Pinka. 10. 7. And it's a turnover by EE. Banyes. Backboard to Umongkada. Pero turnover. Legatub. Lumiap. 2 points by Legatub. Banyes again. Pass to Parani. To the assist. Shot clock 9. It's a traveling violation as per Nicole Asibuchi. Pinka. Pinka again. Shot clock 14. Strong rebound by Pinolabio. Pass to Mungkada. Mungkada to Pinolabio. Sumalaksak. Nahibuhayan ang bola. Turn over by Pinolabio. Pinga to Ligatog. Irinko. 15 shot clock. 12. 10, 8, 6. It's a block by Banyes. Banyes na kumadali. Kumanan, kumaliwa. 2 points yan ni Banyes from Kahayagan. Malakmanlat sa bakulin ng dadalagan. Shot clock 15. Irinko, 2 points. The assist to Banyes. Banyes to Pinolabio. On the corner. May P2 sa rep. Who's foul rep? Foul number 28. Cylinder foul. 2 free throws awarded to Pinolabio. Irinko out. Talinhalit in. Unang tira ni Pinolabio, wala. Pinolabio again, Waray naliwat. Strong rebound by Big Brother. Sayang yanin. 2 points yan. Iba na ang malaki. Last 3 minutes and 50. Shot clock 15. Pinka sumalaksak. Kumeke. 12. Ligatog. Ipito si Red. Foul number 29. Pass of foul. Ligatog. To Pinka. Waray. Rebound by Big Brother. To Pinolabio. Pinolabio. And there's illegal contact in hand. Use of hand. Sideboard. Banyes inbounding. Banyoy. And there's a turnover. Traveling violation as per Nicole Asibuti. Napakalinaw. Karabasa sinipirma nagsura. Pirimigam sinimihigit ang traveling. Talinhali. Umikot. Block by Banyes. Banyes na magmadali. To the Aces. 2 points by the Aces. Shot clock 20. 18. 16. Talinhali, Waray. Strong rebound by Pinolabio. The Athens, Waray. Strong rebound by Pinolabio. 2 points yan. Charge, timeout. Electrical Engineering. 27. Lamang ang TGP. Official score 19-27. And 2 minutes and 43 remaining for the second quarter. Iringo number 28. Pass to Talinhali. Rebound by Mungkada. Parani to the Aces. and top by Ligato. Unay bola. Dila, mahati lang nato mga referees. And it's out of bounds by EE. TGP inbounding. Parani. Varsity ini sa Katarman si Parani. Pinulapyo. To Parani. Pumiki. Sumalaksak. Ibuta na. Pinga. Sumalaksak. Wangay. Yes, strong rebound by the Asis. The Asis sa Pinulapyo. Pumiki. 2 points yan ng PGP. Mag-o pa yung muyag. Mag-lock siya eh. Number 9 for 3. Bang! And it's a 3. Oy! Ayaw kitpag-kuhan idol sa court ha. Next time. Pag mag-spit kit, gawas kit sa court. Pinulap yung Pasto Parani. Shot clock 7. 5. And it's a 24-second violation. Wala kayo gawan rin kanina sa pagtira ni Di Asis. Remaining time 1 minute and 18. Ligato si Luka. Ang Luka ng SMH. Orokoto number 9 to Pinulabio on the corner. Pinulabio, Waray. And there's a whistle. Foul number 31. Holding foul. Side ball. Ligato inbounding. Pass to Irinco. Nato, time out. Ano yung? Quebec. Na, time out. Okay na? Waray na? Okay. Basket count. Foul number 31. Legal contact to the hand. 1 bonus free throw awarded to Irinco. Remaining time 1 minute. Irinco. 3 points made by Irinco. Di Silva. Sumiksab. Pasto Pinulabio, Pumalabio. Sumalaksak. Drop to Big Brother. Strong rebound by Pinulabio. 2 points yan. Makina yung bata. Last 43. Shot clock 15. 12. Steal by TGP. Steal by EE. Steal na naman ni Di Silva. Last 28. Pinulabio. 2 points by Pinulabio. Last 20. Wala naging shot clock. 17. 14. 12. 8. 6. 3 points by Irinco. 3. And time for the second quarter. Limalaan kalamangan sa TGP. Maupay good man manguyab. Close fight. O diri lang naungod si Puludong. The Aces. Pass to Quebec. Quebec pumigi. Pass to Big Brother. To Quebec for 3. Counted by Quebec. Kurukoto. Kurukoto to Oroa. Pumiki. Pasto Pinolabyo. Pinolabyo. Oh, kalinali nga yan. To Erenco. Strong rebound by Pinolabyo. Pinolabyo to Quebec. Adoy. Still by Kurukoto. Okay. Nakita ni Rep. It's a traveling. Same foot landing. Traveling yan, kaibigan. Karabasa sa permig sura mo. Malinaw ka sa mata. 15 to shoot. The assist sa gitna. Iba ng veterano. 2 points by the assist. Erenco. Erenco. To Kurukoto using the board. 2 points yan ni Kurukoto. Erinaw na ni. Quebec. To Pinolabyo. Pinolabyo sa ilalim. To the assist is still by Oroa. Oroa to Kurukoto. Kurukoto to Oroa is still by Pinolabyo. And out of bounds by TGP. And it's a turnover. Mapinis ang hangin. Pasko na good mangkit. Banyes to Quebec. Quebec na bumadali. Quebec to Banyes. Banyes sagot na. Pumiki. Still by Oroa. Rinco, kapos, rebound by Pinolabyo. Pinolabyo to Quebec. Quebec nagmamadali. Quebec behind the leg. To Pulodo. Aw. Banyes nga yan. Nag-iingong ganti niya. Pinka to Erinco. Erinco to Oroa for 2. In and out. Rebound by Moncada. Pinolabyo to the assist. And it's a block by Oroa. Alaba to Quebec. Shot clock 12. 10. 8. And there's a whistle. Foul number 7. Blocking foul. Sabrep. Sige. Tiray in. Okay, sub. The assist. Sino? Sige, gawas na lang kung sino makakuha. Cantun host in. Shot clock 7. Uy! Nasubrahan sa tulang. Hinay-hinay na. Foul number. Yan, pushing pa. Pinolabyo. Pinka. 4-3. Waray. Strong rebound by Pinolabyo. Pinolabyo. Still by Kurukoto. Kurukoto again. Nagmamadali. Kurukoto. Lumay up. Pass to number 5. Waray. And there's a whistle. Foul number 9. Quebec. Quebec. Sumigsas. Quebec. Umikot. Tumira. Maupay nga bata. Ibus lang. Number 31. Jadi luwat. Natalilbong. At sa whistle. Okay, time agad mo na. Kaya pasa. Warakit niya na Hunger Games. kay Madalunot. Bulasan dili kay ko ano doa. Unang tira ni Hiray. Pangalawang tira, wala. Pass break to Quebec. Hinay-hinay daw ay kang pag-pass break. Nice play by TGP. 2 points by Quebec. Quebec to Ligatov. Ligatov. Waray. Is still by Erenco. Erenco to Talinhali. To Hiray. 2 points ni Hiray. Last 3 minutes. Quebec. Quebec. Pass to brother. Ay, napagbukod. Shot clock 13. Banyes. To Polodong. To Banyes for 3. Waray. Rebound by Quebec. Shot clock 6. Waray. Naliwat. Rebound by Pinka. Pinka to Corocoto. Erenco. Bump 2 points. Pinolabio. Shot clock 18. To Banyes. And there's a whistle. Same ball. Shot clock 12. Nice play. Pero waray. Pinolabio. 2 points by Pinolabio. Alinhali. Hindi good pwede magtinara-tara sin Malaksi. Shot clock 10. Waray. Banyes to Quebec. Quebec dahan-dahan. Uy! May pabaon si Idol. Quebec umikot using the board. Waray naliwat.
Oy, sir, sa baka. Madaling na sa baka.
Erenco. Waray. Rebound by Pinolabio. Pass to Quebec. Quebec to Banyes. Banyes. Pinoy step. Quebec na naman. Last 1 minute and 24. Hiray. Rebound by Corocoto. Erenco pala. Rebound by Pinolabio. Last 1 minute. Uy, nag-alang pagpasa. 2 points by Hiray. Last 54. Quebec. Shot clock 14. To Polodong to Quebec. Shot clock 10. To Big Brother sa ilalim. Pinolabio. Banyes. Waray. Si Ligatov. Ligatov behind the leg for 3. Waray. Corocoto sa ilalim. To Hiray. Waray. Rebound by Pinolabio to Big Brother. Last 24. Big Brother. Libre. Last 17 seconds. Wala na shot clock. 12. And it's a turn over by E. Last 10. 10. 8, 6,